Well, hello, everyone. This is Wilson Cole, and I want to visit with you about our legal forwarding department. We talk a lot about collections. 87% of the time, we're going to get it collected for you in lightning speed. But unfortunately, 1 out of 8, we're going to have to recommend for suit. Over the last 33 years, we have put together, in my opinion, one of the most outstanding group of forwarding attorneys that anybody could have. Most of these companies in law firms we have worked with for 25 and 30 years. And they almost become a resource for each other. Our VP of Collections, Samantha Vincent, which is also one of my daughters, also over our legal department. And so she has full visibility. She can see what's happening over in California. She can see what's happening in Florida. And a lot of times she can, if we see something unique to our Florida attorney, we may have seen it 3 or 4 times out in California or vice versa. And so it gives her some insight to direct the forwarding attorney if he should have any questions. But also, we're out of the ones that we sue, we're 87% of the time we're going to get them collected through collections. 80% of the time that we run something through our legal forwarding department, we're going to see significant funds for our client. So the way that we do that, is that we've set up attorneys that have been with us for years. And I can tell you, if an attorney is not doing what they should, they do not stay as our forwarding attorney for that particular state. We have broken down the legal process to keep these things moving with our forwarding attorneys and to keep the client informed into 16 different stages over about a 10 to 12 month period. That's from sending out the account to the attorney confirms receipt, to where he's requesting court costs. Court costs are sent out. Attorney files suit. Debtor answers. We're in discovery. Court date set. Enforcement of the judgment. Things along those lines. And there's micro stages in there as well. Roughly about 15% of our entire staff work in the legal forwarding department. We have about 400 active cases at any particular point. It's a wonderful way to collect money, but it is time and people intensive for us. But that's the commitment that we have to all of our clients to make sure that these things follow through. There's always a set of eyes looking at a case on a weekly and monthly basis, because something as simple as, hey, the client said that they sent the affidavit out to you. We're following up with the attorney 10 days later to make sure that they received it. If it was lost in the mail, it doesn't get stuck for 90 days while we're trying to figure out why suit hasn't been filed. So it's a methodical process. If you have a collection issue, we'd love to work with you. Now, the downside to our legal forwarding department, and I get calls on a weekly basis from clients that say, hey, I'm working an account, I'm paying an attorney by the hour, they've already filed suit, or we've already gotten the judgment, so the hard work is done. I can tell you, if the attorney has not gotten the judgment enforced, that's when the hard work starts. But unfortunately, our insurance will not allow us to handle any case from a legal standpoint that did not run through our collections first and get vetted by us, and then go out and get litigated from the very start from our forwarding attorney. So if you want us to utilize our legal forwarding department, it has to come through our collections first. Hopefully it gets collected, but if not, it gets vetted before it goes out to the attorney. And we have total control over that process. And from our insurance company standpoint, we have control over how that judgment was received and how it's enforced and things along those lines through that forwarding attorney. So we'd love to work with you. Visit us out at staffingdebt.com. Book an appointment with one of our credit and collection consultants, and they can get the account in for collections. And then if we have to send it out to legal, it's going to be a little bit of a slow process, 10 to 12 months. It's going to be slow regardless. But if there's no collection, there's no charge. You just pay court costs unless there's some type of weird countersuit or something along those lines. But if we can help you, we'd love to work with you. Thank you. Hey guys, it's Wilson again, and this video was brought to you by Adams, Evans, and Ross. And if you like the video, please make sure that you click on the subscribe button and also like the video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave those below as well. If you'd like to learn more about our company, please visit our website at staffingdebt.com. And also remember, if there's no collection, there's absolutely no cost at all.